Now student, here I am trying one more example, and it is I am explaining the example nicely so that you can understand if you will have any doubt in previous video. So in this in this program students, I am just taking the question as how, now taking three numbers in three variables, finding its total and finding its average, okay, and doing. So find three variables. So I have to take how students, three variable as I am saying. So I can do it int a comma b comma c, and I have to find out the total as well as I have to find out the average. So I took five variables in this question students. Now specifying the numbers to it. So any number I can specify, just like mark, just like I can think like these are the mark of the students. I can specify like this. Every statement should end with semicolon sign students. Every statement should end with semicolon sign. Okay, and everything I am writing in small letter students. Okay, so that is the concept you need to know about the C++ as the rule already we know before, we learned before. Now I did total equal to a plus b plus c. So here total is the variable students, and this is the expression getting executed and the result is getting stored in TOT variable. In this case also there are three variables and three different values kept right side. Okay, so now average. So average equal to, as I took the variable name as AVG, so same I have to write here AVG equal to total divided by 3. See, when I am reading total, but when I am writing TOT. Why? Now because the variable I declared as TOT. Fine students. So as you declare the variable, remember same way you need to specify the variable when you are using it. Now the print statement. So the print statement I am writing here TOT, then semicolon, and next line I am writing what? Now AVG. Okay. Now let run the program and see the output how it is coming. See, the output is coming, but it is coming together students, together. So what I can do, how I can make the difference between them, I can add one more two less than symbol, and I can specify a gap here so that I can get the gap in result, so that I can know which is what. This is total, this is average. Fine students. That also I can make more clear how. Now before this giving double quote, I can specify that this is total. Okay, and here I can specify before average, this is average. Understood my point what I am doing? Try this next time when you practice. Okay, total and average. Now let's see the result students. Let's see the result, how it is coming. Is it coming nicely or not? Yes, it is coming very nicely. Total 186, average 62. Fine students. Suppose you want to make the average line into next line, you have written in two different line, but it is not printing in two different line, it will print in one line only. So what you have to do here students, after you end total, you have to give and L students, end of line, and L. Remember that is a keyword and it is one word only. That is the important word and it is one word and small letter again. So writing and L, what is happening, you see please students, and L will bring the content next to return it to the next line. You see the result is in two different line. Understood the purpose of and L? And L is bringing to the next line. So whom it is bringing to the next line? Now after total, whatever written like average and all written, that will come in the next line. Hope all of you understood the concept of this program as well as some new concept I added here.